Hey everyone, it is here again from Screen Money, and today I'm going to show you a site where you can go to make really money from home. In this site, whether you are from Canada, US, India, UK, all over the world, I will be presenting the options where you can make really money today. Stay tuned at the end of the video and I will show you where you can go to make 2,500 a week working from home. Now before we get started, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and give me a quick like so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get into it. The first site that I want to share with you today is called Crowdology. Crowdology is a company where you can jump on and you complete surveys on different products so they gain an opinion on their products. Crowdology will pay you anything from 14 cents to $10 for every survey you complete, which is good. They don't do any points or like that, so you automatically get paid your cash into PayPal and Amazon. So as you can see here with this site, we work with landing brands who want to know what you think about their products and surveys. That's why we pay you cash incentives for every survey you complete, helping you make a little extra on the site to spend as you wish, whether it is something special for yourself or a treat for someone close to you. Very simple to get on, and all you need to do is sign up and start doing surveys pretty much straight away. The surveys take between 2 and 15 minutes to complete, and depending on the surveys that you complete and depending on the length of survey will depend on how much you get paid. And there is all different types of surveys. They take between 2 and 15 minutes and you get paid between 14 cents and $10 per survey that you complete. Very simple site to use. You should check it out and have a look. And like I said, up to $10. And now what actually do is once you reach $8, you can start taking those funds out straight away and use it as cash. This site is really good to get on. They have got so many different services that you can do. Your rewards. Start earning rewards today. Our clients are waiting to hear your opinions. That's why Crowdology pays you for every survey you complete. It only takes a minute to join our community and you can start earning rewards straight away. Our online surveys are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, giving you total flexibility to make a little extra cash in your spare time to spend as you wish. All you need to do is to sign up and earn money by surveys. We pay cash for every survey you complete. Fiddly points schemes don't work for us. To keep our rewards simple and transparent, Crowdology pays cash incentives for every complete survey. The cash incentives is displayed at the start of every survey along with the estimated time it will take to answer. As soon as you complete a survey, the cash is added to your Crowdology account. Depending on the length and type of survey you complete, you could earn from 14 cents up to $10 or more without even leaving your server. Your rewards quickly added up. To check how much cash you have earned, simply log into your account to view your balance on the rewards dashboard. Redeem your rewards how you want them. You can choose to redeem your Crowdology rewards to PayPal or exchange your cash for Amazon gift certificates or G-codes, whatever works best for you. Sign up now to earn extra money online or make money online from home. Now I will show you the next sites that you can use to make money with online surveys. The next site that I want to bring you is called GetPaidSurveys. Now GetPaidSurveys is a good site that you can check out where you can start earning points for surveys online. So what you need to do is to go on GetPaidSurveys and sign up. It is free to sign up. And now with this particular site, now the more survey you do, the more points you will earn. But it is just as good as cash because what you do is you actually get gift cards to some of the best sites, so some of the best companies in the world, and more points you get depend on how many surveys you do and how long those surveys are. Easy to get on and very easy to complete the surveys. and if you are looking for gift cards, and if you're looking for the opportunity to earn, or for the ability to make that extra dollars, or for the ability to make that extra dollar, and I will definitely be recommending GetPaidSurvey, and they claim to be the world's #1 paid survey website. They have got hundreds of people that are using their sites every day, and of course I will definitely recommend this site to you. MySurvey is one of the oldest and most reliable survey companies out there. They used to collect options using regular snail mail, then the telephone, and starting in 2001 they began offering surveys via their website. MySurvey is a good-paying survey panel and usually sends at least 2 to 3 survey investors per week. It should be part of everyone's collections. It should be part of everyone's collection of paid survey panels. Cash outs and only require you to build up $10 worth of pay points. Cash outs are easy and only require you to build up $10 worth of points. Rewards, cash or prizes. Redemption plans, $10 equivalent to 1,100 minimum points. Processing time 4 to 8 weeks total depending on reward. And here our best paid surveys. Look through this list of paid surveys and pick a few that you want to try out to make the most money-taking surveys. About online surveys. Surveys have always been a great way for companies to learn about consumers, get feedback on new products, and understand trends in their industries. Before the internet, companies spent a lot of time and money hiring agencies to recruit respondents and administer pen and paper more accessible for respondents. How we choose and rank the surveys we list. Our survey recommendations are based strictly on honest feedback from our respondents about their experience with our listed surveys. You can read the reviews and decide if a given survey is worth your time. All you need is a computer and internet, and after that get on the site is called GetPaidSurvey. If you are in any country in the world, and log in and have a look anywhere, so sign up, upload your resume and start looking for a job, and you will be on your way to earning some money online. Hope you like this site and you will be on your way to earning some money. Hope you like this site, and I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.